Hi team, good morning. Let us now understand what we actually plan to do with you guys from 24th of April till last day of your exam. When I'm talking about SYJC batch, yes, the batch commences on 24th of April. What we intend to do is we will have practical subject lectures for 1 week where we plan to revise anything and everything basics of 11th standard. Post that, weekly timetable will be uploaded where lectures will be conducted for all the subjects. You will have faculty name also mentioned below the lecture, no confusion. Timetable will be available on website. Every Sunday the next week timetable is uploaded. Mota moti mein, you must understand that we are planning to complete our entire syllabus by 10th of October. Now your exams will be somewhere in the month of Feb. So from 10th of October till 24th of Feb or 20th of Feb or maybe 15th of Feb, what is that we are going to do? What is that we are going to do? Well, as you know that in the month of October and November, we will complete entire revision and doubt solving sessions. Along with that, we intend to conduct 1 or 2 prelims before your college prelim starts. Once your college prelim is over, then we plan to conduct 3 more prelims. So what I'm trying to say is, in all, we may think that from October till Feb there is a huge gap, but it's not. You are going to appear at least 6 prelims, 5 from our end. What is your college prelim? 6 prelims before you appear for your SYJC final exam. So, parents, what I want is, when our child goes in the examination hall, he or she should not be under any pressure, any fear. It should be just one more day for them. How they will come to the class and attend the lectures, exactly same way they should go to the examination hall and write the paper. That's all. No pressure, nothing.